We'll guide you through how to configure VS Code agents for an optimized coding experience. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop. Make sure you have the latest version installed, as updates often contain important features and bug fixes. Now, navigate to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon in the activity bar on the side of the window. In the search bar, type Remote Development and install the Remote Development Extension Pack. This pack includes the necessary tools to configure your VS Code agents. Once installed, you'll see a green icon in the bottom left corner of the window, which allows you to connect to a remote environment. Click on this icon and select Remote SSH Connect to Host. You will then be prompted to enter your SSH configuration. If you haven't set this up yet, you'll need to configure your SSH keys and add the host information in the SSH configuration file, typically located in your .ssh directory in your home folder. Once connected, your VS Code will seamlessly open the remote environment as if it were local, allowing you to edit files, run commands, and debug. To further customize your agent's settings, you can go into the Settings menu by clicking on the gear icon in the bottom left corner, then selecting Settings. Search for Remote to adjust specific configurations like port forwarding, extensions to run locally, and more. This setup is particularly useful for working on large projects or when collaborating with teams remotely. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.